In this video, I'll show you how to check your Robinhood IRA match status using the mobile app. If you recently contributed to your retirement account and want to see whether your IRA matching reward has been applied, just follow these simple steps. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the bottom corner and go to the Retirement or IRA section. Here, you'll see your IRA balance, contribution history, and retirement account details. Next, look for a section related to IRA match, rewards, bonuses, or contribution history depending on your app version. Robinhood may display matching contributions separately from your regular deposits so you can easily track them. Tap into the section to view more details about your recent IRA contributions and any matching rewards connected to them. If your match has already been processed, you should see the matching amount added to your IRA balance or listed in your transaction history. Keep in mind that IRA matches are not always applied instantly. Robinhood may take some time to process and verify eligible contributions before adding the reward to your account. You should also review the program terms carefully because some matching rewards may require you to maintain your IRA or Robinhood Gold membership for a certain period of time. If you recently made a contribution and the match is still missing, check whether the contribution qualifies for the promotion and confirm that your account meets all eligibility requirements. You can also update the app to the latest version to make sure all retirement features appear correctly. If the match still does not appear after processing time, contact Robinhood support through the Help section inside the app for account-specific assistance. And that's how you can check your Robinhood IRA match status. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple app tutorials.